The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration has issued a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. Please tune to NOAA Weather Radio Area KWO 39. This warning is in effect for Cook County, Illinois and the following waters: nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake. This concludes the message. We now return to regular broadcast.